Hey everyone, welcome back to the Meera and Arjun podcast, the show where we learn real American English together, one slang word at a time. I am Meera.
And I am Arjun. And today I have a very sad story to share with all of you.
Oh no, what happened, Arjun? You look terrible.
Thank you, Meera. Very kind of you.
I'm just being honest. Tell me, what happened?
Okay, so you know I met this girl at work last week, right? We were in the same meeting. She was sitting right next to me. We talked for like 1 full hour after the meeting. She was laughing at all my jokes, all of them, Meera, even the bad ones.
Okay, that is a good sign. Then what?
She gave me her number herself. I did not even ask. She just said, hey, text me sometime. So I was so happy. I went home, I made tea, I was smiling like an idiot.
Oh, Arjun.
I texted her that evening. Very casual. Just, hey, was nice meeting you today. Very normal, right?
Very normal, yes, and?
No reply. Okay, fine. Maybe she was busy. I waited 1 day. I texted again. No reply. I waited 2 more days. I called once. Nothing. It has been 5 days, Meera. 5 whole days.
Arjun, I have some news for you.
What?
You got ghosted.
I got what? There are ghosts involved now? This situation is already bad enough, and now there are ghosts?
No, not real ghosts. Ghosted is an American slang word, and today we are going to learn exactly what it means, how to use it, when not to use it, and everything related to it.
Fine. Teach me. At least I can learn something from this disaster.
Okay, everyone, let us start with the basic meaning. When someone ghosts you, it means they completely disappear from your life. No reply, no call, no explanation. Just total silence. Like a ghost.
Like, they became invisible?
Exactly. Think about it. What does a ghost do? It disappears. It does not explain where it went. It just vanishes. That is exactly what ghosting means in American English. So, she became a ghost?
Sarah became a ghost. Yes.
This is the saddest English lesson I have ever had.
But you will never forget this word. That is the point.
True. Very true.
Now, Americans use this word in 3 main situations. Number 1, dating and relationships. Number 2, friendships. Number 3, work and jobs. Let me explain each one.
Please go ahead.
Dating situation. This is the most common use. When you are talking to someone romantically and they suddenly stop replying with no reason, they ghosted you. Just like what happened to Arjun.
Just like what happened to me. Yes. Moving on.
Friendship situation. Imagine you have a friend. You make plans to meet. Suddenly, they stop texting. They do not show up. They do not explain. They ghosted you. This happens a lot.
Even friends do this? That is worse than her, honestly.
And work situation. You apply for a job. You have interviews. Everything seems great. Then the company never contacts you again. No rejection email, no call, nothing. They ghosted you.
So basically anyone? A girlfriend, a friend, a company can ghost you?
Anyone, anywhere, anytime.
The world is a scary place, Meera.
It really is, Arjun.
Okay. Now let us look at 3 real example sentences so our listeners can hear exactly how Americans use this word in conversation.
Yes, real examples are very important. I learn better with examples.
Example number 1, dating situation. I went on 2 really good dates with him, and then he completely ghosted me. No text, no call, nothing. I still do not understand why.
So, ghosted me, past tense. She is talking about something that already happened.
Exactly right. You can say he ghosted me, or she ghosted me, or they ghosted me. Always past tense when talking about something that already happened.
He ghosted me. She ghosted me.
She ghosted you. Yes, Arjun, she ghosted you. Example number 2, friendship situation.
Please do not ghost your friends just because you are going through something difficult. A simple text saying, "I need space," is enough.
Oh, that is interesting. So here, ghost is used as a verb. Do not ghost your friends, like a command.
Very good observation, Arjun. Yes, you can use it as a command or advice. Do not ghost people. Stop ghosting me. Why did you ghost her?
So many ways to use one word.
That is why it is so useful to learn. Example number 3, work situation. I had 3 rounds of interviews with that company, and then they just ghosted me. No rejection email, no call. Very unprofessional behavior.
Wow. Even big companies ghost people? This is everywhere.
It really is. Ghosting is one of the most common complaints Americans have about modern life, in dating, friendships, and work.
Now, Arjun, this is the section where you try to make sentences. Are you ready?
I am nervous, but okay, yes.
I will give you a situation and you make a sentence using the word ghosted. Situation 1, your friend promised to help you move to a new apartment. On moving day, he did not show up and stopped replying to your messages.
Okay. My friend ghosted me on moving day?
Perfect! You could say, my friend completely ghosted me on moving day. I had to move everything alone.
Oh, that is painful. Moving alone is terrible.
Focus, Arjun. Situation 2, you applied for a job at a big tech company. You had 2 interviews. It has been 1 month and no reply.
Oh, that big company ghosted me. Even they ghosted me. Everyone ghosts me.
You could say, I cannot believe that company ghosted me after 2 interviews. I thought it went so well.
That is a sentence I never want to say in real life.
Situation 3, make your own sentence about anything. Use ghosted however you want.
Okay, I used to have a best friend in school. After we graduated, we lost touch. I think we ghosted each other without even realizing it.
Arjun, that was excellent and also very deep.
Thank you. I have layers.
Very important section now, how not to use this word. This is where many English learners make mistakes and sound unnatural.
Oh, yes, I do not want Americans to laugh at me.
Mistake number 1, do not say he ghosted on me. That sounds wrong.
No on?
No on. Correct way, he ghosted me. Simple, clean, no extra words.
He ghosted me, not he ghosted on me.
Exactly. Mistake number 2, do not use ghosting for very short situations. If someone does not reply for 2 hours, that is not ghosting. That is just being busy.
Oh, so ghosting means a long disappearance, not just a short delay?
Correct. Ghosting is days, weeks, or permanent silence, not 2 hours.
So I cannot say my boss ghosted me just because he did not reply to my email in 1 hour?
Absolutely not. That will sound very dramatic and strange.
Good to know. I almost made that mistake.
And mistake number 3, do not say, I was ghosted by her. That is grammatically wrong.
Should be, I was ghosted by her?
Yes, with the D at the end. Ghosted. Always ghosted, not ghost.
Ghosted. Ghosted.
Perfect.
Now, bonus section. Because ghosting is so common in American culture, there are actually other related slang words you should know. Think of these as the ghosting family.
The ghosting family? Oh no.
Word number 1, breadcrumbing. This is when someone does not fully ghost you, but gives you just enough attention to keep you interested. Like leaving small breadcrumbs. 1 message every week, just enough so you do not forget them.
That is worse than ghosting. At least ghosting is honest.
Many people agree with you, actually. Word number 2, slow fade. This is when someone gradually reduces contact instead of disappearing suddenly. They reply slower and slower, messages get shorter, until one day, nothing.
Like a phone battery dying slowly.
That is actually a perfect comparison, Arjun.
I told you, I have layers.
And word number 3, zombieing. This is when someone who ghosted you suddenly comes back out of nowhere, like a zombie rising from the dead.
So if she texted me next month out of nowhere,
She would be zombieing you, yes.
I don't know if I want that or not, honestly.
That is a personal decision, Arjun.
Okay, everyone, time for your quick quiz. I will give you a situation and you decide ghosting, breadcrumbing, slow fade, or zombieing. Ready?
I am ready. This is the most fun I have had all week, honestly.
Situation 1. You matched with someone on a dating app. You talked every day for 2 weeks, then one day, complete silence, no explanation. It has been 1 month.
That is classic ghosting, 100%.
Correct. Situation 2. Your friend used to reply in 5 minutes. Then it became 1 hour. Then 1 day. Then 3 days. Now it has been 2 weeks.
That is slow fade? Gradually getting slower and slower?
Exactly right. Slow fade. Good job. Situation 3. Someone you dated 6 months ago suddenly sends you a message saying, "Hey, how are you?" with no explanation.
Zombieing! They came back from the dead!
Perfect. And last one. Situation 4. A guy texts you every Sunday just to say hey, but never makes real plans or has real conversations.
Breadcrumbing. Just enough to keep her interested, but not enough to be real.
100% correct, Arjun. You got all 4.
Heartbreak really does make you smarter.
It really does. Okay, everyone, let us do a quick summary of everything we learned today.
Ghosted. When someone completely disappears with no explanation. No text, no call, nothing.
Breadcrumbing. When someone gives you just enough attention to keep you interested, but never commits.
Slow fade. When someone gradually reduces contact until they disappear completely.
And zombieing. When someone who ghosted you suddenly comes back out of nowhere.
Use it like this. She ghosted me. Do not ghost your friends. I cannot believe that company ghosted me.
And remember, do not say ghosted on me. Do not use it for short delays. And always say ghosted with the D at the end.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Every week I share a new life problem and Meera turns it into an English lesson.
Your pain is our content, Arjun.
I am okay with this.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye. And hey, if you are watching this, you know what you did.
If you like this video, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Bye.